नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। आज जो पेपर मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ वह पेपर है हमारा यूके पीएससी जेई का पेपर, जो कि आज दिन में ही शेड्यूल था और अभी काफ़ी एस्पिरेंट्स उस पेपर को देखकर घर लौट रहे होंगे। आशा करता हूँ कि इस वीडियो को आप लास्ट तक देखेंगे और जिस जैसा मुझको इस पेपर को देख के मालूम होता है कि यह पेपर काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट तो नहीं था, बट मैं इसको काफ़ी इजी बोलूँगा, इसलिए काफ़ी हाई मार्क्स आने के आपके बहुत चांसेस हैं इस पेपर में और ये काफ़ी स्कोरिंग हो सकता है आपके सिलेक्शन इंश्योर करने में। तो आइए एक बार जल्दी से हम इसके सॉल्यूशंस देख लेते हैं, करेक्ट सॉल्यूशंस जो भी 100 क्वेश्चंस के हैं। साथ ही मैं आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस पर जितने भी हमारी वीडियोस हैं, चाहे वो यूकेपीएससी प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स की हो या जो भी सॉल्यूशंस की हैं, जो कि हम आगे आपके लिए डालते रहेंगे समय समय पर जितने भी एग्जाम्स होते रहेंगे, तो इसलिए हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं अपने पेपर की। यूकेपीएससी जेई हेल्ड ऑन 7th में, दैट इज टुडे। सेलेक्ट द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड। इसका करेक्ट स्पेलिंग तो आपकी हो जाएगी विड्रॉल की, ऑप्शन ए WITHDRAWL, राइट। नेक्स्ट आपका हो जाएगा सेलेक्ट द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड, दिस इज अकोमोडेशन, विच इज ऑप्शन डी। ACC और डबल एम आता है, डबल सी और डबल एम आता है, सो द आंसर टू दिस विल बी ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट इज करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड, दिस इज करिकुलम, CURRICULUM। देन वी हैव कॉमीमोरेशन, COMMEMORATION। अब यहाँ पे हमें रीऑर्डर करना है। देखिए ऐसे क्वेश्चन में मैं सबसे पहले मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर जब मैं एई का भी सॉल्व कर रहा था तो मैंने अभी आपको बताया था कि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कैसे सॉल्व करने हैं। इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि दो ऑप्शंस में क्यू पहला ऑप्शन दे रखा है, तो व्हाई नॉट आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम क्यू। देखिए क्यू इज अ ग्रेट पार्ट ऑफ अरेबिया इज डेजर्ट। आर देखता हूँ क्या है, दैट यू कैन नॉट वॉक ओवर इट विद योर बेयर फीट इन द डे टाइम, हेयर देर इज नथिंग बट सैंड एंड रॉक। कमिंग ऑन टू ऑप्शन बी, अ ग्रेट पार्ट ऑफ अरेबिया इज डेजर्ट, हेयर देर इज नथिंग बट सैंड एंड रॉक, द सैंड इज सो हॉट दैट यू कैन नॉट वॉक ओवर। ये देखिए बिल्कुल करेक्ट बैठ गया, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी। ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन सी है। सिमिलरली वी हैव टू अरेंज, अगेन देख सकते हैं दो ऑप्शंस में क्यू पहला ऑप्शन है। अगर हम ऑप्शन ए देखें, क्यू के बाद आर, एवरीबडी वांट्स टू थिंक वेल ऑफ हिमसेल्फ एंड हिज कंट्री एंड ट्राई टू रिमूव द बैड वेर एवर इट मे बी, we must take the good wherever we find it, but there is no really person who has not got some good and some bad qualities. अब देखते हैं ऑप्शन डी, everyone wants to think well of himself and his country, but there is really no person who has not got some good and bad qualities. We must take the good wherever we find it and try to remove the bad wherever it may be. This is hence the correct answer will be option D. He favors a carrot and stick approach, CARROT. He showed his metal, METTLE, as in he proved himself. He edits a bi-weekly journal, which is BI. Correctly spelled word is macabre, MACABERE. Question number 11. Passive voice, the officer refused him leave. He was refused leave by the officer. I cannot accept your offer. Your offer cannot be accepted by me. He feeds pigeons. Pigeons are fed by him. Meaningful paragraph, again we have to arrange. Isme again you can see there are two options starting with Q. Let me check both of those options. Q are the great Roman orator Cicero in his celebrated treatise on friendship remarks by the doubling of our. देखिए ये कुछ सेंस यहाँ पे बन नहीं रहा, so let me go to option B. The great Roman orator Cicero in his celebrated treatise on friendship remarks that it increases happiness and diminishes misery by the doubling of our joy and the dividing of our grief. Our joys become more intense by being shared with friends. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हेयर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी देर आर टू ऑप्शन जहाँ पे क्यू आपका ऑप्शन दे रखा है, सो वाई नॉट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सच एन ऑप्शन। क्यू टू फॉरगिव एन इंजरी इज ऑफन कंसिडर्ड एज अ साइन ऑफ वीकनेस, so mercy is the noblest form of revenge. It gives moral strength to a man, but is really a sign to. No, this is not making that much sense. Let me move on to option D. To forgive an injury is often considered to be a sign of weakness, but it is really a sign of strength. Yeah, this is making some logical sense. So your correct answer to this question would be option D. Moving on to the next question. Again, arrange जिसमें हमें करना है. So again, I can see that here in two options you have R. So let me check the first option. RPQS. Helen Keller is surely an inspiration to everyone. The story of my life is full of stories of her sheer hard work and perseverance. Her teacher played a huge role in her life. Mark Twain was right when he said that Helen Keller was one of the greatest characters of the 19th century. This is correct, but still एक बार आप ऑप्शन डी को पढ़ के देख ले. Helen Keller is surely an inspiration to everyone. Mark Twain was right. देखिए यहाँ पे कोई लॉजिकल सेंस बन नहीं रहा है. या एक बार फिर से हम देख लेते हैं, बिकॉज आंसर कैन बी एनीथिंग अमंग सी एंड डी. हेलन केलर प्लेड R. Helen Keller is surely an inspiration to everyone. Mark Twain was right when he said that Helen Keller was one of the greatest characters of the 19th century. Her teacher played a huge role in her life. द स्टोरी ऑफ माई लाइफ इज़ फुल ऑफ स्टोरीज ऑफ हर शेयर हार्ड वर्क एंड परसिवरेंस। तो देखिए इसमें आपका जो है ऑप्शन, तो इसमें आपका इट कैन बी एनीथिंग बिटवीन सी एंड डी, बट मोर अप्रोप्रिएट जो मुझे लग रहा है दैट इज ऑप्शन डी। मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 17th, पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना है। दे विल इन्फॉर्म द पुलिस विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड बाय देम, ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट इज ही सेड अलास आई एम अनडन, he exclaimed with grief that he was undone, he said goodbye to all my friends, he bade goodbye to all his friends। Active voice, a song had been recorded by him, he had recorded a song, तो इसका हो जाएगा passive, a song had been recorded by him। The teacher told me that she had never seen such a sincere girl as I was, the teacher said to me I have never seen such a sincere girl as you are। So answer to this question, which is question number 21, would be your option C। Moving on to question number 22, he proposed to us that we should have some coffee, he asked us should we have some coffee। So your answer to this would be option A, direct to indirect। My friend said are you going to Delhi, so the answer to this will be my friend asked if I was going to Delhi, which is option B। Moving on to the next question, which is a passage, so you can read these passages when you have your free time, and I'm sure those who have given the exam have surely read this passage। So let me come to the direct answers of this passage, because मैं इसके डायरेक्ट आपको आंसर्स बता देता हूँ जिससे आपको टैली करने में थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा। So question number 24, meaning of the word destitute in this paragraph is lacking, contains the main idea of the passage is moral sense is necessary for peace, humanity and happy coexistence। Our moral sense our moral sense deepens when our horizon expands। So your correct answer to this will be option B, and this has been picked directly from the passage। Let me show you where it is written, as our horizon expands our moral sense deepens, right? So your answer to this would be option B। 26th is option B। Question number 27, who, one word for the following, who do not desire to place their faith in any god, this is atheist। The word precept means this is moral instruction। Again we have a paragraph, I'm sure you must have read it, जिन्होंने पेपर दिया था, जिन्होंने नहीं भी दिया था, they can just go through this paragraph quickly and let me tell you the answers together। So Mr. Fix was hoping to receive an award if he caught the bank robber, is used to describe Mr. Fix। Intelligent face, yes। Detective, yes। Small built man, no, he was there to catch the bank robber, he was not a robber। Why did Mr. Fix come to the Swiss in search of the bank robber, option B। Which word of the following words from the passage is the antonym of the word bold antonym means opposite, so it is nervous। Mongolia is a steamer as mentioned in the passage। Next passage is about Thangka paintings, as you can see here, you can go through these and you can just come on to the answers। I'll tell you the answers। What does the advent in the passage mean? Advent means arrival, so answer to this would be option C। Where were the Thangka paintings found in India? They were found in Buddhist monasteries situated at the border areas, option B। Thangka paintings symbolize paintings found in the Buddhist monasteries of Ladakh, this is the first statement of the passage। Let me show you Thangka paintings, cotton, found in Buddhist monasteries of Ladakh, right? Moving on to the next question, Thangka painting is usually done on cotton, is correct। 4 statements are given, the correct statement is option D। The Thangka painting found in India is not older than the 10th century। मैं आपको ये दिखा भी देता हूँ, it is not older than the 10th century, so your answer to this would be option D। Another passage we have, you can go through this passage and all the passages that were asked this time were very very easy। अगर आपने एक बार रीडिंग भी ले ली, then it is more than enough that you can crack that passage। Let me come to the answers of this passage which is related to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel। Synonym of considerate, so the synonym of considerate would be concerned। Meaning of harsh is strict। Sardar Patel was called the Iron Man of India because he was a strict and efficient administrator। Rely means depend। Antonym of emotional, देखिए antonym of emotional generally is emotionless, ये सबको पता होगा। Antonym of emotional is emotionless, but ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन यहाँ पे था नहीं। Thoughtful, considerate, they are all in a positive sense। Rational, irrational is in a negative sense, so antonym is being asked, so I would go with irrational, so the answer to this would be option C। Moving on to question 44, we must respect him because he is the union minister, he is the union minister, answer is option B। Next question is, the officer entrusted the work to his junior, we are going to Mumbai by air। We walked across the river. My pen is different from his pen, which is option A. She jumped into the well. He has changed a lot since I saw her last. He hopes to join. इसमें दो ऑप्शंस पे स्टूडेंट्स को जनरली कंफ्यूजन था, अ यूनिवर्सिटी सून और द यूनिवर्सिटी सून. सी इन स्पेसिफिक इफ दे आर रेफरिंग टू, देन इट वुड बी द, or it can be a as well. So I'll go forward with he hopes to join a university soon, which is option A. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. She is a better teacher than a clerk. Dash an honest man is dash noblest work of God. An honest man is the noblest work of God. So answer to this would be option C. Moving on to question 55. I did empty the trash. I have come to ask if Raju shall use your bicycle tomorrow. So the answer to this would be option B. He dash watching TV when the phone rang. He was watching TV when the phone rang. Drivers know that they ought to slow down. Ought or must can also be there, because they ought to slow down and they must slow down. So answer the most appropriate as I can see here, it would be option D. Drivers know that they must slow down when they approach the main road. When I was a boy, I could walk 40 miles in a day. For the last 6 months, he has been taking Ayurvedic medicine for asthma. By December, we shall have read 15 lessons in this book. He must leave now since it is getting dark. This work cannot be done unless you put in hard labor. Dash did the shop open, then a long queue formed in front of it. No sooner did the shop open, I forgot that I had to pay the fee today. It was nearly dawn and the light was getting brighter. You must dash your house in order before you venture to offer advice to others. You must organize your house or arrange your house. Any one of these options would be correct, but most suitable to me it appears is option D. So the answer to this would be option D. Dash you meet my son in the market. Ask him to come home at once. Should you meet my son in the market? Option A. He has been off duty since Tuesday. So answer to this would be option C. Passing from his parents to children is hereditary. A person of good understanding, knowledge and reasoning power, this is intellectual. One who believes easily is credulous. When I dash at the palace in the morning sunlight, I got amazed. When I looked at the palace in the morning sunlight, I got amazed. He did not know that you dash busy. He did not know. Did देखिए यहाँ पे simple past आ गया. He did not know that you were busy. Option A. The old man fell yesterday as he was crossing the road. Yesterday, so we will go with past continuous was crossing. My mother upset the kettle of boiling water and dash her right hand badly wounded, which is option C. Put one's foot down. So the answer to this would be option C, which is refuse to yield. Pros and cons, for and against. Taken aback, it means be surprised. 2/3 of the city is in ruins, a very important and frequently asked phrase. Rahul goes to the school by bus. The behavior of the students was excellent. Behavior, so was. Not one of his lectures has ever been printed. One who is not easily pleased, this is fastidious. A place for sick people who need long periods for recovery, this is sanatorium. A close shave, it means a narrow escape. What does the idiom go the whole hog mean? So it means to do thoroughly, which is option D. Moving on to question number 88. Give the synonym of the word display. Display means exhibit. Which of the following options is the synonym of the word invincible? Invincible is something which cannot be defeated, right? So it means unconquerable, which is option B. Moving on to the next question, which is question number 90. Give the antonym of the word flexible. So it would be rigid, which is option B. Give the antonym of the word abundant. Abundant means it is in plenty. We have to give the opposite. So it would be scarce, option B. Antonym of the word enormous. Enormous, so opposite will be tiny. Of the word despicable. Antonym, again opposite of despicable. So it would be C. Antonym of despicable is generally noble. or one who is lovable or admirable. So anything could have been the answer if it was in the options. Here it is lovable, so answer is option D. Antonym of the word artificial is natural. A dash gives us the words of wisdom. This is seer, S-E-E-R. He left the meeting in a fit of PIQUE. This is very, very important. Our body needs balanced diet. Synonym of the word discreet. Discreet is tactful, which is option C. Synonym of the word affable. Affable is friendly, which is option C. Synonym of the word yell. So the answer to this would be scream. So as you can see, with that we reach the end of the discussion of our question paper. Let me tell you, this was a very, very easy paper, as you can see, and I think even those people who haven't prepared much of English, उनके भी easily somewhere between 85 to 90 marks तो आ ही जाएंगे. So this is very, very easy. See, you might say that there is some examination pressure or something like that, but still 80 to 90 is a min score in a paper like this if you are fighting for a competition in today's times. 80 to 90 तो आपके इसमें होने ही चाहिए. There will be lot of students who will be getting close to 85, 90. There will be a huge range of students. They might some will be getting even more than 90, but 85 to 90 के बीच में आपको मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स इसमें मिलेंगे जिनकी तैयारी अच्छी थी, बिकॉज पीपल डू प्रिपेयर फॉर इंग्लिश एंड nobody will miss this range. So with that we come to the end of our discussion. Hope you liked the video. हमारे चैनल को आप जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे जो भी आपका पेपर होता है उसकी आंसर की हम जल्दी से अपने क्वेश्चन अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पर डाल सकते हैं, और उससे आपको काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा. आपको एक आइडिया लग जाएगा आप कितने मार्क्स अपने पेपर में स्कोर कर रहे हैं. तो चलिए, थैंक यू एंड कीप लर्निंग.